It's coming.
All right. So we're going to put a FAP cap onto a TiCKLER. The trick for doing that is to remove the original cap that's on there. So you just pull off that screw and the whole cap comes off. And you'll see there's a spring in there. Now the trick is being able to put this thing together. Well, I should have done it with it ejected. So you want that back the other way so you have more room there. And what we have to do is get one of these circlips into that groove in there underneath the spring. So the hard part is getting the spring out of the way.
Gotta not move it so far because I'm focused in on a little tiny part.
So once you have the spring out of the way, then you got to figure out how to get the circlip into that groove. Now I've got special pliers to do it, and you won't. But needle nose work, all sorts of things work, and it looks like that did not go correctly. It looks like it overlapped with the spring. So this is why I say that doing this is a pain in the butt, because it is a pain in the butt. So get something to hold the spring down and out of the way. I don't know if you can see it, but the spring is now out of the way. So I should be able to just push that on there. And you can do it with your hand or a pair of needle nose or any number of different things. And that gets, the circlip is now holding the spring, and the spring's not trying to push against the bearing that's inside the FAP cap. That one's the FAP cap, right? Yeah, it's got the notches. So then that goes on there, and the screw goes back in. Put that on there, tighten it up, test it out. And they spin pretty darn good, considering there's absolutely no mass. There's no weight to this thing. So we got, I don't know, 10, 12, 15 seconds out of that thing. And I found that they spin better when you don't try and spin them real hard. If I spin it real hard, it seems to not go as good. There we go, it still functions. Everything's good.